In this tutorial, I will show you how to get an auto-smelt pickaxe using just commands. This pickaxe instantly turns mined ores into ingots. I'm sorry furnaces, you are needed no longer. Before the actual video starts, I wanted to tell you that this video only covers iron, but I'll explain how to make the commands work with any other ore at the end of this video. So first, get yourself some raw iron and then drop it onto the structure block. If you've done that, set the block's dimensions to x1, y1, z1 and y offset 1. Lastly, enter the name iron_ingot and press save. The first command block you need has the settings repeating, unconditional and always active. I'll not read out aloud what's written in there, instead I'll explain its function. This command makes each item named raw iron run a test for a player holding an iron pickaxe within a range of 6 blocks. Well, remember the structure I just told you to save? Now it comes into play. If the test returns true, the raw iron will load said structure spawning an iron ingot. The next block, as well as the rest of command blocks in this tutorial, has different settings which are chain, conditional and always active. The first part of the text though stays the same, yet the command that's executed differs from the last one. It makes the item display a fire particle that implicates the process of smelting. In the third, and therefore second last command block, the settings remain the same. This time, though, a play sound command is run instead of a particle or structure one, like the ones the other command blocks I featured included. I just thought this sound was fitting, but if you want to change it, there are lists on the internet in which you can definitely find more and probably even better sounds than I used. Just replace the sound. Okay, still, none of the settings changed, not even a bit, but this time there's no execute command. You might now wonder, why not? Well, the answer is simple. It would be unnecessary, because this last part of the command block chain finally kills the raw iron, well, every raw iron, to prevent it from loading iron ingots until it's picked up. This may have been the last command block required for pickaxe that smelts iron, but I promised you to explain how to make it work for every other block, didn't I? Basically, you just need to duplicate all of the command blocks I just showed you. You can copy a command block as well as its contents and settings by pressing down the control key on your keyboard and then pressing the mouse wheel. Do that when you're looking at the block you decide to copy. Start with the first block of the chain and replace the term raw iron by raw copper. Don't forget the quotation marks, or use raw gold for instance. Then also change the name of the structure that is loaded. I take a copper ingot for example. Create that structure following the same procedure as before. Don't forget to name the structure applying a suitable name to it. If you've done so, copy the rest of the command blocks and place them in the right order. You also need to change the terms related to iron to what suits your needs. By the way, you can even use this mechanic to make dirt blocks drop diamonds, just in case you care. If you want to learn about more fun things you can do with commands, then check out this playlist right now.